So, you want to know how you can make money by answering simple questions? Well, I'm just going to show you that. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Affiliate Stand. This is Danish, and today I'm going to show you how you can make at least $100 in every few days by answering simple questions. Now, I don't know how many of you know about Quora.com, but I'm going to explain a little bit about this website. Anyways, it's a huge community of people who sign up on the website, and they answer questions and they also ask questions. So you can do both. You can be someone who is seeking for an answer, and you can be someone who is helping people answer their questions. According to Quora co-founder, whose name I can't remember right now, Quora has 200 million unique visits every month. That's not bad. That's a very decent amount of unique visits. So why Quora is a gold mine for affiliate marketing? Well, that's because Quora covers every single subject that you can think of. People ask questions about any and everything that they want to know about. They come from every walks of life, and they just want to ask things that they are curious about, and they are doing research on those subjects, and they want to know things and some insights not from a web page, not from a blogger, but from people who are living life out there in the real world, and are part of this specific subject that you are doing research on. So why affiliate marketing is something that you can use over here, and you can try to encash your affiliate business from Quora, is because, like I said, it covers every single subject. For instance, you belong to an industry for which you do affiliate marketing, and that industry, let's just say fitness, health and fitness. So you're looking for you're promoting a product which is a yoga book or maybe a DVD. So you search yoga in Quora.com, and here you can follow the subject. What are the benefits of yoga? And you can follow the subject, and as soon as you do that, you start getting questions from people who are curious about yoga. Now, what happens when you receive questions, you have to answer them. Now, Quora is very serious about spamming you guys. You do not spam. You make it real. You make it look that you are really willing to answer the question, and you want to educate this person who wants to know about yoga. For instance, over here you will see related questions. Are there any special yoga mats for people with sweaty palms and feet? Now, just imagine if you're promoting a product from a yoga store. You're an affiliate of a yoga store, and you have yoga mats over there that you think you can promote over here. So you just go over here and you try to answer the questions. The question, just below the question, there is a button over here. Right over here, you can answer the question. You can just click the answer tab and start typing whatever knowledge you have about yoga mats. And for instance, if there's something that you are not sure about, that you think that I don't know, I can't just wing it, I need to have some serious information about this question, to answer this question, sorry. So you just copy this question and paste it in Google right here. Just paste this somewhere in Google. Well, not exactly somewhere, but in the search bar. Okay, the same question pops up with Quora link. Yeah, you can go to this website. Now, I'm not saying you copy the entire paragraph from here, but you have a source that you can look up to, and you can rephrase everything over here. It's not rephrasing, and rewriting stuff is not rocket science. You just use your own vocabulary and your own sequence of the sentences, and you answer the question. Now, how does your affiliate marketing comes in play over here? And what you do, you answer the question. Sorry about the background noises. What you do, you answer the question, and right below the question you mention something like, for more information you can visit, for more information and detailed insights about a good yoga mat, you can visit my blog, blah blah blah. Or but again, your answer should be a convincing and sincere answer. It shouldn't be something copied, or something like, hey, if you want to know about yoga mats, the cool ones, I have a store, you can visit over there and buy one. No, don't do that. That's spamming, and your answer is going to be pulled out. So just don't do that. Answer the question sincerely, and then mention your affiliate link, or not affiliate link. Don't do that either. Just it's gotta be a blog or some sort of squeeze page with good information in it, and just post it, submit it, and hopefully, if you get upvotes, what people do, if they like the answer, they upvote the answer, and it's kind of favors your answer to the algorithm, in the Quora algorithm. So it's useful that you get the more informative and more educational answer you give to someone, the chances are that you're going to get more upvotes. So the more upvotes you get, the better are the chances of your question, your answer popping up in the top, on the top of the list. So do this, and hopefully you're gonna get some serious leads, because people are doing it and they're really capitalizing on this opportunity. And it's just not limited to Quora. You can practice the same strategy on Yahoo Answers, and I believe Bing or Amazon has a similar portal where people ask questions. You can do that over there as well. So it's a very useful and very neat technique to promote your link, your affiliate marketing business, and make some sales and leads from get some leads from this. So please do that. Leave comments about your experience while doing it, and if you really want to make some serious amount of dough on the internet, please do visit the links I have left in the description of this video, and I'll tell you a little bit about it. The links, well, the first link is for a free webinar. Yes, free webinar, no catch. It's completely free to attend, and it's very educational, and it's very beneficial for struggling affiliates. It's about affiliate marketing and how one should kickstart his or her affiliate business. And the other link is of free sales funnel, which is completely set up and done for you, and it also has a product that you can promote if you want to promote, or otherwise you can use the sales funnel for your own products. And it's completely free of cost, so please check that out as well. And before you move on to the next video, do crush the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you know whenever I release my new video. Alright, well, have a nice day. Bye bye.